All right, let's talk about how you can add a vertical line to a graph in Excel. In this example, our data is just the cumulative sales for the month of May in 2026. And here I have inserted an area chart to represent that data. Now, if you need to insert the chart, you simply need to select your data, go up to the insert ribbon, and if you hit recommended charts, you can then search for different charts that Excel might recommend. In this case, I used a stacked area chart, so you can select that, hit OK, and that will get inserted. So in order to create our vertical line in our graph, we need to create some reference data. Now I'm gonna make these a little bit wider. Now within this first cell here, you can select any date that you have in your date range. In this case, we'll just select the middle of the month, 5/15/26. And then what you're going to want to do is this in the cell below, you're going to want to hit equals and reference that cell. And you're going to want to do the same thing one more time so that you have the date listed 3 times. So if we come into this cell and we change it to 5/16/26, that will automatically update all 3 of those cells. And we only need 2 columns here, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this one. Now in this first cell, we're just going to hit 0. And now in this second cell for this date, we need to know the max value in this entire sales column. So in this case, it would be 4,455 as the highest number. Now what we can do is type equals max, and we can reference this column, hit enter, and that's going to give us the highest number within that column. Now in this cell here, we need Excel to search this date and display the number for that date. So we can use a simple VLOOKUP. Our lookup value is going to be this date, comma, our table array is going to be columns B through C, comma, what we want to be displayed is the second column or the total sales number. Comma, we want it to be an exact match, so that'll be false. Then we can go ahead and hit enter. And we'll format this into currency. And so that's a simple VLOOKUP that's going to pull whatever date is here. So if we change this to the 17th, that's going to pull the number we find on the 17th. Now that we kind of have our reference data created, we can select all of those cells or that data that we just created. We'll go ahead and hit Control C to copy it. Then if we click on our graph and hit Control V, that's going to paste that automatically. And that doesn't look super great right now, so what we're going to do is click on that graph that was just added to our graph. We'll go up to Change Chart Type. Then this little box will appear. Make sure you have Combo selected, and Total Sales we have as the stacked area, which is correct. Now for our second series, which we had just created, we want that to be a scatter chart with smooth lines and markers. So we'll go ahead and select that, and that looks a lot more like a straight line like we're intending to add. We'll go ahead and unselect secondary access and go ahead and hit OK. Now the last thing for this vertical line we want to do is remove these circles or these data points, which is the 0, the 2300, and the 2400. So then we're going to want to double click our line here, and this little side menu will appear. Go ahead and select the paint bucket, go to marker, and then hit this little marker options drop down, and then select none. Then we can close out of that and unselect, and there we have our vertical line. Now if we were to go in here and change the date to say 5/5/2026, that will automatically update like so and move that line. So all you need to do is change this cell and it will automatically move that vertical line for you. But there you have it. That's how you can add a vertical line to a graph in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.